Hello, how you doing? Gonna make a little chicken salad here, little chicken mayo for you. Now before we get started, you can adjust all of the amounts of the ingredients that I'm using, and if you want you could actually add a few other little bits and pieces. Really simply, we're going to get ourselves a mixing bowl. We're going to start dropping stuff in. I've got these tomatoes which are beautiful. They're actually like grapes, very sweet indeed. Next to that I'm going to add a little bit of onion. I'm using white onion, but maybe some green or spring onions would be good, up to you. Carrots, I've got some grated carrots here, about a cup. So all of these bowls are about a cup in size. Bit of cucumber chopped in there. I've got 3 hard-boiled eggs that I've just chopped, and here's my chicken. My chicken, I boiled it. There's about 2 cups in total there. I boiled it with some salt and some pepper and a little bit of turmeric. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. If you want, you could be adding a different herb or something, you know. Just going to give this a little mix before we add in some mayo. And again, the amount of everything, the mayo is up to you. But personally, I don't like it swimming in it. So, you know, I always put a bit less in, give it a mix and see what it looks like, because it's quite easy to do an overload of mayo. Now to that, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I like that in there. And then for me, I'm going to add a little pinch or 2 of some chili powder. You don't have to do that, but I just like a little bit of spice in my salad. Very simply, we're going to give that a mix, and we've only gone and done it, haven't we? So think about things like sweet corn or some red beans in there or some other vegetables. It really is entirely up to you. Super versatile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this onto a plate of iceberg lettuce. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit more chili powder on the top. And for me today, I'm going to try a little bit of dried mint on there, just as a kind of little signature thing. Make it look pretty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.